Hey guys, welcome back to a new video on YouTube. So in today's video guys, I'm gonna be showing you guys the best Bandicam setting that I recommended you guys if you have a low-end PC. So let's get started. So first thing first guys, you're gonna need to open up your Bandicam. So as you guys can see, I'm using the Bandicam screen recorder to record my screen. As you guys can see, it's very smooth. As you guys can see, my mouse pointer is very smooth. So what is my setting? So first thing guys, you're gonna need to do is you're gonna need to go to the general tab, and then you're gonna click on the advanced menu, and then you're gonna need to click on the others, and you go to the video recording setting. Or you can just simply go into the video and click on this setting. Now in the recording setting, you're gonna need to go into the option, and here in the option recording priority, make sure to put this to higher than normal priority. If you have guys a very good PC, put it to highest. Other tasks may be slower, but if you have a low-end PC, make sure to put it to higher than normal priority. Now make sure you're gonna go and just uncheck the play sound effect when started or stop. And for screen recording mode, make sure to go and check this two option. And for gaming recording mode, make sure to check this, because it will gonna go guys and record your game. But if your frame rate is not been updated, well, it's just not gonna record your screen or your gaming videos. So right now guys, I'm just gonna go and leave that because I don't really record, so I'm just gonna check that. Now you're gonna click on OK. Now the most important guys is going into the format option. Now you're gonna click onto the setting in here. Now make sure to put your file type to MP4, and then go to the video and put it to full size. And then you're gonna go to the FPS. Make sure to put your FPS to 60. If you guys have a better PC, put it to 120, 240, or 480. So right now I'm just going to put it to 60 because this video is for low-end PC. So now let's get into the codec. So in the codec, I have put it into H.264 AMD VCE or VCN. So if you guys have like NVIDIA GeForce, just select NVIDIA GeForce. But if you don't have NVIDIA GeForce, if you only have AMD, select the AMD. So if you guys have been experiencing lag when you record, just simply go to the codec menu and just put it to MPEG-4 or put it to H.264 CPU. Just test this codec. So right now I'm just put it in here because this is the the codec that I am using to record my screen very smoothly. Now just in the codec, you will see these three dots in here. Click on the three dots and make sure to put it to the VPR quality base recommended. Put your keyframe interval to 150, and for the code, make sure to put it to H.264. Or you can also put that guys to X.264, but I'm just gonna put it to H.264. And then click on the OK. And then now go to the quality. Make sure your quality is on 100 or in full quality for your video. Now you're gonna need to go into the audio. Make sure your audio is on AAC, bitrate to 192, channels to mono, and frequency to 48,000. Now you're gonna click on the OK, and now you're gonna go to the home and go to get started. And you can pick here guys whenever you can record like a rectangle, full screen, around mouse, game recording mode, or HDMI. So if this video helped you guys to record your screen very smoothly, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope the video helped, and I hope you guys gonna subscribe to the channel to show some support. So that is all for today's video. I hope the video helped, and I will see you guys in the next tutorial video. Peace out.